Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola.
Budia.
Tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi.
Banantaku.
Sungulukata kumambende. Oni samucha, otubele, otukala. Ambe zungulukata kumambende. Oni samucha, otubele, otukala. Wajabari
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Watombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supu.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda. Diri mwamba o. Ni ayokela kanti ni ayokela. Yokele kanti ni ayokela.
Ni ayokela. Kila kanti ni ayokela. Yokele. Kanti ni ayokele.
Sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bagala. Ntangu ifueni katula. Puineta nzuma desiberi agana ni embiri yao. Kumaenda makumalonde kulu yete kulu yema ni kulu fonda mwana fonda o. Na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supu.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o. Kiadi mwana bagala katula mpuinya ya tomba mbongo yaye. Kiadi yaye. Attack. Deba. ayo kela kantini ayo kela yo kele kantini ayo kela
ayo kela kantini ayo kela yo kele kantini ayo kele
Sadilan tangu watirin tueni ange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadilan tangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadilan tangu nge mwana bakala nzunguma desi beri agana ni hembiri kiao na hembiri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba toba na tombo laka wafinka mfundi wafinka mfundi lamba mwamba lamba supwe na tombo laka wafinka mfundi bimba Msongi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi la njila 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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Gana bandu butabachika na kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisansa bala Choma mbukwamba kiri Heka kulukwa shitaka de makako mwana ngele kwanye simauni ni menga balabagu bobo balabagu bobo balabagu bobo mwana ngele kwanye simauni ni menga balabagu bobo balabagu bobo balabagu bobo Msongi la njila Munsongi 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 la njila Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbu shitani ya itatu mansangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukuri lambakiri mambu Eka ni bala ni Kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando Chima kwanye simauni ni mega Balabagu bobo Balabagu bobo Balabagu bobo Mwana ngele kwanye
unwini menga. Malabaku bobo. Malabaku bobo. Malabaku bobo.
Najika, nayebesa, nalwika, kabutabako, kanilumbu, nsalambanza, munsongi, 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 munsongi,
Monangele kwamye, tima unwini menga. Malabaku bobo. Malabaku bobo. Malabaku bobo.
Mona mère, Rogatien Milor, Garo Marca, Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble. We are one, you and I. Let's live together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyonso koma kana ngonga nango.
Kiambote Tatale.
Kiambote Tatampanzo.
Thank you very much for coming. Wow. How is the family doing?
Good. Family's good.
Good. Let's greet the audience. Hello. Kiambote, Ngizambote. Ngizambote means well. Thank you for being there. We are going to learn Kikongo. Congo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Yes. Mvu walusaku muno. Can you translate it into English? Sakumuna, I mean, it's easy. Sakumuna is the verb to bless. Yeah. Mvu means yeah. Yeah, yes. So up to you. You could say bless, a blessed year, blessing, all this stuff. You understand that, yeah? No, LU is not the pronoun. You don't.
Oh, it's not.
No.
Oh, okay.
No. Sakumuna is your verb. So le sakumuna, you put a blessing, but sakumuna is a verb, blessing, to bless, yes? To bless.
Yeah.
So
blessing. It's blessings to you?
Yeah, blessing, blessed. Can you say blessed year? I mean, it's hard to translate things. But basically, we're saying blessing.
Blessing.
A year of blessings, yes? A good year and stuff. Yeah. Mvu is your year. Mvu is the word for year. Anyway, okay. Thank you very much. We're not going to take long, but I just want to. It is a test for you anyway. It's exercise, good exercise. We are going to talk Kikongo, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't look at your notes, you don't worry. Just you think through, go back to your, check your memory, yeah, memory bank. Yeah. Anyway, it's very easy. Tata David and the brother, the couple, they're busy. Nengwa Tadiwa, no connections. No connection is in Zimbabwe. Always hard, you know. People buy data. They don't have.
Yeah.
I mean, some people, not all, not everybody. Yes, you buy data. No broadband at home. No landline. So yes, Cambo Tata. Well, I'm going to a town. I'm a town. Mom, I meet. You are coming the other way around. I'm going north. You can going south. So were in Los Angeles, but we are Congo people. We only speak a language of Tata. You know the great man. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are not British. We are not French. We are not okay. Yambote. I don't know who you are. Yes, assume that.
Okay.
Basically, we are going back to basics. Yes, just try to
Oh
go
boy.
back to
Yeah.
basics. Very important. Kiambote Tata.
Kiambote Tata.
Mhm. Kumba kunani.
Kumbwame Alain.
Yambote. Kwe utakwenda. Now just a reminder, ta is your ing, and as soon as you hear ta is your how do you say it? ing, going, doing, so present continuous.
Yeah.
So kwe utakwenda, just remember your pronoun, the first singular. Just remember the keyword, the rule is ku, preposition locative. Yes. Yeah, ku. The first thing is ku, kuna. Yes, because destination.
Yeah. Okay,
destination.
no, I got it, yeah.
Then
Kuna.
your this just in case of destination, we use ku. But the rule is object first, your pronoun in the middle, and your verb. Yes, today.
Yeah.
Okay. Quota kwenda tata.
Kuzandu itakwenda.
Yes, well done. Yes. Because otherwise we will be just turning around, not moving, We need to start speaking. You remember our motto here is little, small, but mastered, yes? The English say, there's a saying, a jack of everything must have known. We don't want this. We just make sure we know our stuff. Little, but we know how to do it. Yes. Kweuzinga tatale. Always destination, geographical, just remember first word, locative preposition. As soon as you hear location, ku, I'm going ku somewhere, ku, live somewhere in the place, ku, object first, the town, wherever you are, you live, then your pronoun, the last thing is your verb.
Kumbanza Congo izingilanga.
Yes, okay, zinganga, same thing, but zinganga easy because
zinganga,
no, zinglang is fine, but the thing is,
no, you're absolutely right. I'm looking at my notes. It's Izinga. Yeah, I said it wrong.
No. Just remember your verb, then you add nga.
Yeah.
Yes.
Zinga. Okay.
Zinga is to live. Yeah. Zinganga. Yes.
Zinganga. Okay.
Yeah. In Kikongo, long live the king. I mean, we just say, they used to say Zinga tata, Zinga. We just say Zinga, yes? Long live. When the day of the coronation day in Banza Kong, yes. Yes. Gumbanza Kong Zinganga. Assume you are eating something, yeah? Ki utadia. Remember, in this case, there's no location. Go straight to the rule. Object first, your pronoun in the middle, then the verb. Nki utadia. Nki what? Yes.
Mbwenge
Yes.
I-
Yeah. Well done.
Idianga.
Ki utadia. So you know ta. We're talking about present continuous ta. So you answer ki utadia. Mbwenge, yes.
Oh, okay,
Mbwenge.
okay. Yeah, no, I see. Bwenge Itadia.
Yes. Mbwenge ita. Yes. Just remember ta is your continuous.
Yeah, continuous. Yeah,
Ki
okay.
utadia. Okay. My answer will be continuous. Mbwenge itadia. Okay. Now a bit a bit hard. Zola means could be want or love, but in this case, want to love or like, yes. Ki Madia, remember Madia? You remember Madia? Dia
Uh,
is,
my,
dia
my,
is,
my,
dia
yeah,
is
Dia's
the
fruit, eat, right?
dia is it, yes, the verb, yes. Madia,
Well, my dear would
food,
be what?
food,
Food, yeah, my dear,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Ki Madia uzolanga. Remember, Zola wants like, okay. The I'm talking Kong, U for union. Ki uzolanga, that is you for second person. You coming back to me with your first person. Yeah. That's a pronoun, yes. Ki madia uzolanga. Then you go straight to your object, yes. Then the pronoun, last thing is your verb.
So can I say my days? What is it?
Yeah. Up to you. My days of beans.
My days.
Yes.
Uh,
Your
my days.
personal pronoun, yes. First, yeah.
E
Yeah. Well done.
Isolanga.
Bravo. Yeah. This is yeah. It is Kikango. Yeah. Yes. Madezo Izolanga. I'm just trying to think what question. Anyway, you initiate the dialogue there. Tell it. Over to you.
Oh, you want me to ask you a question?
You start with the dialogue, yeah, the talk, yeah.
Let me see. Kiambo Tetata.
Kiambo tetata.
Lunama Vimpi, eh?
Tunama vimpi. Yengeye. And you?
Tunama Vimpi.
Yeah.
Or I can say my Vimpi. I can just say my Vimpi, right?
Yeah, monompe mavimpi ngina. Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, okay.
Monompe mavimpi ngina, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a long time, yeah.
I'm trying to say, okay, so okay, cool.
I think keep asking questions. Better to go that route.
Yeah, no, I want to say, okay, what is your name?
Yeah, Kumba Kunani. Yeah.
Kumbwa Kunani. Yeah.
Kumba me tata panzu. Yengeye Kumba Kunani tat. Yenge Kumba Kunani tat.
Kumbwa me tata Alain.
Yambote. Well done. Carry on.
Where are you coming from, Mister? I know coming is Quiza.
Coming from Tuka.
Oh, Tuka. Oh, coming from
Yeah.
Tuka. Yeah. Yeah, Quiza's come. Yeah, okay. Coming from is Tuka. Okay.
Kwe, kwe, utatuka. Yes.
Kwe Tutatuka.
Utatuka.
Oh, it's Kuta Tuka.
Uta. Remember, the U, the ta is your NGA, ING, your ta. When I say uta, the u is your personal pronoun, the first, second, in this case, u. Kuzandu itatuka, yes.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yes.
Kuzandu. Okay, your response was Kuzandu Uta.
Itatuka. No, your question was should be kwe utatuka. Then my answer itatuka.
Okay. Let me see.
Ignore your notes. Try to use your brain.
Yeah, I'm trying here. Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. Take your time. Yeah. We just want to make sure that we have something, yeah, in us. Yes. We are not relying on our papers, not all the time. That's good.
Okay.
I'm eating something. You ask me what are you eating?
Okay.
Key? What? Key?
Yeah, key.
Remember the present continuous? Key, then?
Yeah, key.
Yeah is the verb eat. Yeah is the verb eat. And key.
Yeah, key uta. No.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah, ki uta dia.
Key
Yes.
uta dia.
Yes. Madezu itadia. Yes. Now you could ask what I'm drinking. Yes.
Okay. Ki uta noa.
Yeah. Well done. Maza itanwa. Yes.
Okay, you're drinking palm wine.
Maza itanwa. Maza water.
Water. Okay. What? Yeah, water. Oh, you got me on this one because it was a nice little break.
You're on spotlight. No?
Wow.
Spotlight.
So if I say
yeah, I'm eating.
okay.
What was the question? Maza itanwa. Yeah, think of another verb, action verb. Yeah, dia, eat, noa. What else?
Okay. There's
Vanga is to do. The verb vanga is to do. Yeah.
Okay. Key.
Yes, good. Continue.
So what I say, kiuta vanga.
Yeah. What I do? Yeah, correct. It's correct. Just that's what I kept highlighting. We just need to go. Just focus on the small stuff. Yes.
Yeah.
You got your verb. The rule. First, your object. Second, your pronoun. Then your verb. Except when we're talking about the location. Yes. Ku. Then object. Mbanza. Ita. Your pronoun is there. Then whatever you're doing. Ita kwenda. What was the question again?
Kiuta
Vanga, yes.
vanga.
Yeah. What are you doing? No, it is open, yeah? Kita vanga. I don't want to make it hard to you. Okay. Nkanda itatanga. Can you translate to me, please? For me, please.
I am reading a
Yes,
letter.
yeah. Letter could be a letter or book. Yes.
A book, yeah. I'm
Nkanda.
reading.
Yeah, no, it's correct. Nkanda could be book or letter. Yes, well done. Yes, carry on. Small talk.
So can I say ki
Mhm. Just think of a verb. Ki uta something. Yes.
kimbanza
Mhm.
kimbanza kongo uzinganga.
Kwe, the question, the easy question. Kwe, where?
It's
Where?
where? Okay, kwe.
Where?
Okay, so it's kwe.
Where do you live? Kwe uzinganga.
Kwe, okay. Kwe. So how do you say so that's where do you live? How about do you live in Banza Congo? Or do you live in London? No, that okay, let me stick to the simple stuff. Kwe uzinga.
No, it's fine. Ku London uzingange, then you start. Because oh, by the way, it's easy. Just as long as you have your AA is the question, yes? The sentence is almost the same. Kumbanza Kongo itakwenda. Question. Kumbanza Kongo uzingange. Are you with me, Tetele?
Kumbanza Kongo uzingange. Okay.
Yeah, it's
yeah. Okay, I see. Okay.
Kumbanza Kongo uzingange. Kulwanda uzingange. Madezo utadie. Yeah.
Okay, it's the A at the end is what
yeah,
makes it.
Then your pitch, yeah, your tone, yeah.
Okay.
Madezo utadie. Are you eating beans? Kimvumina utanwe.
Okay.
Remember Kikongo, the last vowel, very flexible, if I could say flexible, because it depends on variants. We the other side, Angola, we say mbwenge, some people say mbwengi, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, carry on to tell.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess I can say
yes, you're on the spotlight today. Sorry.
Kwenda Kiambote.
Wenda Kiambote.
Wenda Kiambote. Wenda Kiambote.
Yeah, we're still talking. We haven't.
Oh.
I'm with you. I don't want to leave you. We're still sitting on the same room, sir. Oh, no, never mind. My turn now. So,
okay.
So,
can I say
go ahead. So say in English, yes.
Who is I was gonna say is anyone coming, like or who's coming?
Yeah, I just want to figure out easy.
No, okay, no, let me stick to the
No, in my country could say nani kwiza.
Nani kwiza, okay.
Yeah, make it easy. Nani kwiza. Kikongo, posh Kikongo. Some people will say nani teko kwiza, forget about it. Nani kwiza, it's clear. Who is coming? Nani kwiza, yes.
Okay, okay, it's not okay. Nani kwiza, okay.
Nani kwiza. Oh, you could ask. Is Mr. So Mrs. coming? Tata. Question are very easy in Congo. Totally, very very easy. Tata David mukwiza kene. Tata David, quiza ka quize. Quiza, your
Yeah.
verb to come, yeah? So, Tata David, quiza ka quize. You
Quiza.
know, quiza ka quize. Let me to write it down. Quiza ka quize. Very quiza ka quize. Basically, you just double the quiz, yes? Quiza ka quiza. Quiza ka quize.
So would that be the same too if I said
Mm-hmm.
is it you said Kitata David or
Yeah, anyone say Tata
that?
Tata David, quiza ka quize. Is he
How about
coming?
if I say Tata David Uta Vingla no.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want to
yeah,
say
good, good. Set English, set
are you
English.
waiting for Tata David?
Yeah, good, good. Easy. Tata David ute vingile.
Oh, Tata David Uta Vingla. Okay.
Yeah, yes. You just remember question always, eh? Question kikongo ver is Tata David ute vingile. Okay, you answer to me as I'm saying that Tata David quiz your question, then can you answer your question there? It's not coming. Very easy. 3 words. Just remember at the left, extreme left, you must have something, KK something, yeah? The other side, but your verb in the middle. Tata David quiz, eh? Is not coming.
Oh,
Third person is K, yeah?
yeah,
K-I.
Tata David
Mm.
ka
Well done, yeah.
Kwizako.
Bravo, yeah, yeah. Tata David quiz, yes. Yeah. That's what I keep saying to people. I mean, Kikongo, unfortunately, has not been simplified. People need to do the homework, linguists, all the other people. Yeah, Tata David Kwizako. Yeah, Tata, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try to ask another question. Some format, some pattern. Kwizaka quiz, eh? Try to use another verb. Action, yes.
Okay.
Just give you an example. Nengwa Mary, Nengwa Madia, we say in Kikongo. Because you know what we say Nengwa Madia in Kikongo?
Nengwa Madia.
And why do we say that?
I don't. You said
Yeah,
Madia is Mary, right?
yeah. Why do we say that? Because there's no R in Kikongo, yes?
That's right. Oh, okay. Yeah. There's no R and there's no C.
No. There's no R in Kikongo.
You
No
said
R.
R or I?
R Romeo. No
Oh,
R.
Romeo.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
No, yeah. Then we say, I
Madia.
mean,
Yeah.
we
Okay.
just try to adapt. We don't have it.
Yeah.
We use D instead, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, question. I could say, Nengwa Madia, Dia. Let me just make it easy.
So Diakadia, eh? No.
Yeah. Even where best you use your singer, yeah? Nengwa Madia Usinga Die.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasinga Die.
Casino dear.
Yeah.
Okay. Nengo Madia Kasinga dear.
Yes. You answer me negative then. Just remember your verb. In this case, we have how do you call it? Auxiliary. Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Just remember the key letters. We have KK both sides. Yes, extreme extreme est. Extreme left, yeah. On the left, we have K, whatever, co at the end. As long as you know that, you should be okay. Then your verb, that's because you're using future, auxiliary first, yeah. Then your verb, yeah. Is it clear, Tatana?
Yeah. So it would be
She's not
nengwa
going to eat. Yes.
nengwa madia
Hmm.
ka.
Yes. Your auxiliary. Yes.
Okay, so kadia quandico.
No, don't make it hard.
Okay, kadiako.
No. You're right. If you were saying insist emphatic, yes, you're fine.
Mhm.
Kadia Kwandiko is not going to eat at all.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, so it's nengwa madia kadiako.
Yeah, you've dropped. You should have kept your auxiliary because we're talking in future. Yes. Kasinga, yes.
Oh, kasing. Oh, because of Osinga, yeah. Kasinga.
Singa Diako,
Oh, okay.
yes.
Kasing, yeah. Kasinga.
Kasinga Diako. Yes.
Kasinga diako. Okay.
Yes.
Kasinga diako.
Yes, because
The
future.
auxiliary, yeah.
Yes.
I thought, okay. Yeah. Okay, the auxiliary.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Just like Kilendi. Okay, Kilendi. Okay, yeah. Lendi is the auxiliary. Singa is the auxiliary.
Yeah, I can't come at all. Kilendi Kwizako. Yeah, remember that?
Yeah, Kilendi Kwizako. Okay.
No, at all, not at all. When you talk at all, we mean emphatic. Remember, Kilendi Kwizako Ameko. Yes.
Yeah.
I should have asked you a question instead of saying.
Yeah, no. Okay.
Kilendi Kwizako Ameko. You understand this, Tatana?
Yeah. No, I got it. Yeah.
I can't come. The core, the style, how to say it, the most important thing, your negative always KK, yes? K on left, Kisi. Okay, I'm not coming at all. That's all to you then.
I'm not coming at all. Key.
Yes, we can use your auxiliary singer, yeah?
Yeah. Oh. Kisinga.
Yeah, well done.
Kwiza Kwamiko.
Bravo, yeah, singer was. He's not coming at all. Then
he's not coming at all.
KA, yes.
Yeah. Ka.
Yes, Ka.
Would it be Ka? Kasinga.
Yes. Your verb.
Kwiza.
Yeah, well done. Yes. Well done. Yeah, I think we're done for today. Totally well done. Yeah, on the spotlight. Yeah, people can.
No, it was good though. This is actually
No. I remember when I was I grew up in Congo. Anyway, we were. I mean, I don't know nowadays, but state school very good. I'm not. Okay, let's put aside Mobutu, but the education system was good. We did almost every day. You come, you don't know if they're going to test you. See,
so you have to be ready.
The test that the teacher takes notes. Yeah, like this. I know. Okay, now I've taken notes. Not that. Okay, you are no longer a beginner. That I can tell you. Yeah, no. You are no longer a beginner. Do your best. Yes.
Yeah, I think theoretically, I'm much more ahead of the practical.
Yeah, you're not a beginner. You know your stuff. Just keep applying. Yes. That's why small talk is good.
Yeah. I think that the application part is I think
very important.
It needs to catch up with the theoretical.
Yeah, we got the basics, in terms of notes. Yes.
Yeah.
There's no point keeping feeding you all the time for more and more. No. We need to apply.
Yeah. No, I like this. I think I guess you would consider this more conversational, right? Or at least the next step to that.
Yes, the thing is the catch is everybody should be at same level. See,
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
that's a downside. Anyway, then I took advantage because I knew that you are coming alone. I mean, all of them they couldn't come. They told me they couldn't come. Yes, I said okay, never mind. Let's put aside our notes. Yes, we should use our brains.
Yeah.
Well done. You passed the test.
No, but it's a good start to the year.
Yeah, okay.
No, because
Yeah.
we took what is it? I think 1 week or no 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah. So I think the brain just needed
Yeah.
yeah to be
Hibernation.
jump started.
Yeah, jump started. Yeah. Okay. You turn the timeline, yeah? Just
Yeah.
make sure we have in 2 hours. I mean, in 7 p.m. London time, we have a Congo talk show, yeah?
Yeah.
Try to follow if you can, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna message you. I was actually listening to a song that was in Kikongo by I think the singer's Frère Mente, I believe that is the name.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I think the song it's called actually Tutondele.
Okay.
Yeah, and I've been listening, trying to write down.
Oh, that's good exercise. Yeah, well done. He's from Bembe. Bembe. It's good.
I'm struggling though. It's
no, I try to. Okay, good. He sings good Kikongo. Huh?
Yeah, maybe I can get you to assist me.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Tutondele tatale.
Okay.
I'm sorry, my reminder. Tutondele yo, wenda gambote.
Musala Kembote.
Yeah, yo.
Bimba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, William Longa, les coordonnateurs, Frère Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kumbo. Philippe Kamango. Lemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Muito fui na Yaya.